In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a new preset in FXSound. So let's get started. So it's simple. First, you would want to change the values in here according to what you would want it to be in the preset. Let's say this one, and I'm just gonna increase the ambience and the bass. You could also use one of these presets here in the top left as your bass values. So let's say I'm gonna go for music, and I'm gonna go and load that preset right here, and now I can just adjust this minimally just so that I could mix it into however I'd want. So let's say I would want more bass, just like that. Once you're ready, you can click here on this button right here in the bottom left. Now you would want to click on save new preset and then just go here into enter your preset name. So I'm gonna go for sample preset save, and then you want to hit enter. And then you will now be able to see that it has now been saved, and now you are currently selecting the preset right here. And now when you click here, you should see that preset listed below. So that's it on how you can create a new preset in FXSound.